Asshole! Ah!
Time I heard that in my life, I'm starting to think you look at me like a project.
Oh my God.
You wreck yourself, so take it yourself before you wreck yourself.
God damn it.
Can we get out?
Yep.
You okay?
Don't block the intersection. Fucking asshole. Holy shit. God damn. What's going on tonight, bro?
We'll go to Longhorn, and then after. Did that idiot really just pull out and hit that car? Oh, dude, I got it on my my drive cam, bro.
Oh my god.
What the hell was she doing, dude?
What the f?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh.
Easy, easy, easy.
Is she gonna leave? Oh my god.
Keep moving.
Okay. She's taking off.
Thankfully, it was a fire that was quickly extinguished thanks to the swift and courageous response of the Atlanta Fire Department. And once the area was secure, investigators from a number of different agencies began to
I knew it was there, but I figured I could get closer to home and do it. Holy shit! Joe, I just caught an accident. Holy! Hold on, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.
Goodbye.
Shit!
This is smart to break on this. Oh, that sucks. Oh, idiots. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh no, oh no. No wonder.
Yeah.
They need to get cops out here.
Yeah.
there to be grabbed with a WW3 scenario, and how for either way, whichever camp you're in, whether you believe that
This weird new tool is quickly becoming the most popular Christmas gift of 20.
Holy shit! Oh my god, bro!
Yeah, always, when I see it. And another reason not to, like, cut it off. It's like, you know, battle scars.
Oh god! Oh my god, are you okay, babe?
Yeah.
Oh my god, get rid of that.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
I am too, but my god.